Cryptocurrency refers to digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for secure financial transactions, control the creation of new units, and verify the transfer of assets. Unlike traditional forms of currency, such as physical coins or banknotes, cryptocurrencies exist purely in digital form and are typically decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by any central authority like a government or financial institution. Here are some key features and concepts related to cryptocurrencies. 1. Blockchain technology. Most cryptocurrencies utilize blockchain technology, which is a decentralized and transparent distributed ledger. The blockchain records all transactions made with a cryptocurrency, ensuring transparency and security. Each transaction is verified by a network of computers, nodes, through complex cryptographic algorithms. 2. Decentralization. Cryptocurrencies are designed to operate on decentralized networks, meaning there is no central authority governing or controlling them. This decentralized nature is achieved through blockchain technology, where multiple participants maintain and validate the network. 3. Cryptographic security. Cryptocurrencies use cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. These techniques ensure the integrity and privacy of the transactions, making it difficult for unauthorized parties to alter or manipulate the data. 4. Digital tokens. Cryptocurrencies are often represented as digital tokens that have specific values and can be exchanged for goods, services, or other currencies. Each cryptocurrency typically has its own unique features, use cases, and underlying technology. 5. Mining. Some cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, use a process called mining to create new units of the currency and verify transactions. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, and in return, they are rewarded with new units of the cryptocurrency. 6. Popular cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, BTC, is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, introduced in 2009. Other popular cryptocurrencies include Ethereum, ETH, Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, LTC, and many more. Each cryptocurrency operates on its own set of principles and technology. 7. Uses and applications. Cryptocurrencies can be used for various purposes. Some people view them as a form of digital currency and a means of transferring value globally, while others see them as an investment or a speculative asset. Additionally, blockchain technology underlying cryptocurrencies has applications beyond finance, including supply chain management, voting systems, and decentralized applications, DApps. It's important to note that the value of cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, and investing or participating in cryptocurrency markets carries risks. It is advisable to conduct thorough research, exercise caution, and understand the associated risks before getting involved in cryptocurrency-related activities. Regulation and acceptance of cryptocurrencies vary across different countries and jurisdictions. Some countries have embraced cryptocurrencies, while others have imposed restrictions or bans on their use. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.